Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Want to get your own domain name? In today's video, I'll show you how to find, purchase and register a domain on GoDaddy in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your favorite web browser and then go to GoDaddy's official website, which is www.godaddy.com. This is where you can search and buy the domain name that you want. On the home page, you will see a search bar for the domain name. Type in the domain name you want. For example, if you're starting a business, you might try with something like mybusiness.com. And once you have typed the desired domain name, click on the search option to see if it's available. If the domain name you want is available, congratulations, GoDaddy will confirm it and give you the price. If it is already taken, don't worry, they will suggest alternative names or extension like .net or .org that might work for you. And once you have found the perfect domain, click the Add to Cart button to reserve it. Your domain will now be added to your shopping cart. And once you are done with the desired domain name, click on the Continue to Cart option, which is at the bottom of the screen. Before you check out, GoDaddy may offer additional features like domain privacy to protect your personal information, professional email or an SSL certificate for your security. These are optional but can be helpful depending on your needs. To complete your purchase, you will need a GoDaddy account. If you don't have one, create it by entering your email, username and password. And once you are done with it, click on the option saying Save and Continue. Next, enter your payment details. Once everything is filled out, click the Complete Purchase to finalize your order. Next, enter your payment details. GoDaddy accepts credit card, debit card and PayPal for convenience. Once everything is filled out, click on the option of Review Order to finalize your order. After completing your purchase, you will see a confirmation screen and you will have your domain. You can manage it from your GoDaddy dashboard, where you will connect it to your website, set up an email or add hosting. And that's it. We have successfully purchased your domain on GoDaddy. And if this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.